Hi, my name is Jamarco, and today I'm going to give you an overview of our platform and service for magazines, blogs, and news sites using WordPress. We strongly believe that improving mobile user experience is a great opportunity publishers shouldn't miss. Offering a better mobile experience is key to driving loyalty and improving retention, and the only way publishers can compete with platforms like Facebook and Apple. Our use of smartphone has only grown over the years to 4.1 hours a day spent on our phones. It's also clear consumers prefer apps over websites on their phones, with more than 90% of time on phones spent using apps versus the web. Companies like Chartbeat, which measures traffic for hundreds of news and magazine sites, found that mobile visitors, and especially app users, show higher loyalty, returning to consume content more frequently than for all other platforms. Publishers like the Huffington Post also confirmed this in their experience, with their CEO stating app users consume 10 times more articles than mobile web visitors. Apps offer you the opportunity to improve on your readers' experience on mobile and bring them back to your content with push notifications, which drive engagement and retention, all combined helping you grow your loyalty and have people spend even more time with your content, all of which translates into better ad revenue and higher retention for your subscribers. With MobiLoud, you get to build your own fully branded mobile app with all the features of native apps from major publishers. The key feature of our solution is its deep integration with WordPress, meaning that there's no change to your existing workflows, content syncs automatically, and you can completely control the app from your WordPress dashboard. In any case, we always handle the app submission process for you and ongoing app updates. Anything app-specific is handled by our team. We've been running since 2013, and we now publish more than 1,200 apps. We've worked with publishers all over the world. We have tens of reviews from happy customers over the years, and you can find many of them on sites like Capterra and on WordPress. With MobiLoud, you can build news and content apps like those you see on screen, with a lot of flexibility over the design of the article lists, navigation, and content pages. You have the opportunity to completely customize the layout of the list and individual articles, and completely change the menus that are presented on screen with whatever content categories, pages, links, and different tabs that you can control directly from WordPress. The app offers customizable menus for readers to filter the content and access different categories and sections of your site. So you have a top category, a tab menu, and within the tabs, you can have a tab that itself is a menu. We call these section menus. Completely customizable and controllable remotely. You can integrate any sort of plugin or custom code within the article screens. We can make adjustments to the style, and we can bring in elements of content that are coming from custom fields within your content. When you get our design package, we match the app's design of your site, or your team can do the same by editing your templates or just using CSS. You can also embed things like content recommendations using whichever solution you want to build that sort of experience. We can bring that into your app, or you can do the integration yourself. And your app will have all the features that you'd expect from native content apps. So sharing any sort of applications with one tap, native gallery images, comments integrated with WordPress, but also Discuss and Facebook comments, and the opportunity for people to save content for later. With this favorites or saved articles feature, they have a way to remember to come back to your content and also access it online. You can give your readers choice over exactly what push notifications they receive. You control these options from your WordPress website, and they get to choose exactly what notifications they get on their phone. So they're always in control. We can integrate all sorts of advertising solutions, from native ad networks to web ad units from your own ad server or ad network. We have a lot that is already built in, whether that's Google Ads, AdMob, or Facebook Audience Network. But you can embed HTML ads throughout the website as you want, within articles, between articles, in lists, etc. We also have subscriptions as an opportunity for you to generate additional revenue by selling premium content and potentially integrating your existing paywall or membership plugin, or even just offering the app with a subscription or the option for people to remove ads in exchange for a subscription payment. which makes for a very easy way to start testing and selling subscriptions and generate additional revenue, which also improves the user experience for your most loyal readers. Now here's an example of an app built on our platform. Foreign Policy magazine wanted a brand new app back in 2019, and we helped them launch an iOS and Android version, which have been incredibly successful. When you open the app, you're presented with the latest stories. The design of the app has been adapted to match that of their digital magazine. You tap on a story and everything loads very, very fast. Article screens can embed all sorts of content, and anything that you can do in WordPress, you can do on the app, including video. The sections menu is completely customizable and you control it directly from WordPress, like any other WordPress menu on your site. The favorite screen shows anything you've previously saved as a favorite and will keep these articles accessible offline. The settings screen allows users to control push notifications and choose exactly what they want to be notified for, along with other preferences like adjusting the font size. Now this is our WordPress plugin. It allows you to control everything about your app. You can of course customize the branding, upload your own logo, and choose your own colors and fonts. You can set up all the menus in the app directly from WordPress. These are standard WordPress menus that you can completely customize. We have the ability for you to control exactly what is displayed on the home screen of the apps, which categories and which types of posts, and what kind of information for every post of every article. So with everything coming directly from your WordPress, you have full control over everything, including advertising. The code editor allows you to include custom code in a lot of different positions throughout the app, which you can use for customization and adding ads on things like that. And with our push notification screen, you can directly send a push notification to your app users. Just select a post or a URL or a page ID, hit send, and you're reaching all of your app users. We have a number of integrations in the platform for analytics, push notifications, and advertising. And with Firebase, you have an opportunity to understand exactly how people are using your app. So how many active users you have, what kind of retention you're seeing, how engaged are users, what are performance issues or stability issues that are affecting your app. The data that Google tracks with Firebase is integrated directly with your Google Analytics. So you're able to combine web and app and look at your performance across your web and mobile properties. OneSignal is probably the best push notification service out there, and it's already integrated into the platform. It provides statistics about all the notifications that you sent out, and you can look at the performance for each of those messages and click-through rates that you have seen on those platforms. So what's next to have your app live? You can sign up at any time from our website on our pricing page, and once you sign up, you'll be invited to be on a call with one of our project managers so that they can guide you to complete a simple form with all the information you need to complete your application and publish it to the stores. We take care of the app build and get you a version of the app that you can install on your devices and share with your team for testing. Once we have your approval, we'll submit the application to the App Store and Google Play and see it through until it's approved. Meaning that if there's any reason why it doesn't get approved, immediately we'll work with Apple or Google to get the app approved. Now that's it. That's everything from me today. If you have any questions, contact us at our website or at sales@mobiloud.com. We look forward to talking with you. Thank you so much for watching.